Inventions of the future that will blow your mind. The world is constantly evolving. Previously, when it took decades for new inventions to be integrated into society, now we see new discoveries popping up on a daily basis. This rapid evolution has led us to many insane inventions, and by the looks of it, we are set for the future. Today, we will be talking about the inventions of the future that will blow your mind. These inventions will surely be game changers in the coming future. You must be wondering, what are these inventions and how will they function for future generations? Well, stick around till the end as we answer these questions and more as we dive into the intricacies behind these genius inventions that will blow your mind. Without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. The CRYPTIDE sneaker. First of all, we have the CRYPTIDE sneaker. Now, you must be thinking, what is so unique about this futuristic sneaker that will blow your mind? Well, the CRYPTIDE is made up of a 3D printed fabric that is known to withstand extreme conditions. It is durable, soft, and has a decent elasticity, which will surely leave your foot secure and comfortable. That's not all, as it has an open design sole that is merged and printed with an upper shoe that is essentially a sock. A sneaker cannot get any more comfortable than this now, can it? And I'm sure many of you must be wondering what the name CRYPTIDE is. It has quite an interesting story to it. As explained by its creator Stefan Henrik, the shoe is named after so-called cryptids, which are legendary monsters like Bigfoot and the Loch Ness Monster that may or may not exist. You will leave behind signs if you wear this sneaker, just like a cryptid would. Amazing, isn't it? Number 2. BMW Electrified Wingsuit. For years, man has long desired to be able to fly. You must remember long ago when people used to fantasize about flying cars, jetpacks, and whatnot. Well, the BMW Electrified Wingsuit has finally turned this dream into a reality. Yes, you must be thinking that there are various different machines through which man can fly right now, but trust me on this, nothing beats the experience the BMW Electrified Wingsuit provides you. It does this with the help of 2 carbon impellers on a 15 kilowatt chest-mounted rig to provide the power for this. But that is not even the best part. It's so powerful that it can make you airborne with mind-blowing speeds of 186 miles per hour. Now that's just crazy fast. I am pretty sure when this product gets mass-produced, people will be fighting to get a hold of it. Number 3. Neuralink. Elon Musk is known for always coming up with something that is good enough to startle the world, and that streak is maintained with his newest invention, Neuralink. It is a device that is implanted in the human brain to create a bridge between the nervous system and the messages coming from the brain. Simply put, this device will intercept the messages from the brain and will show them on a computer screen. Whatever you think of will appear on the computer screen in front of you. Once the device passes its testing phase, we will get a better idea of what it's capable of. For now, the claims are that all the tasks that needed physical ability will be done just by the mere thought of doing it. Right now, you need hands and fingers to type a paragraph on the screen, but with Neuralink, all you'll have to do is think of it, and it will be there on the screen. It's just amazing how far humans have come with their brilliant inventions and discoveries, and Neuralink is one of those inventions that will surely disrupt the future. Number 4. WayRay AR. This invention will certainly amaze you. WayRay AR is an augmented reality company that deals in the unique, yet largely undiscovered potential of AR. As of right now, the company is focusing on ways to improve the automobile industry by introducing a vehicle that is controlled by augmented reality. They demonstrated the capabilities and potential their technology holds through a video that depicted its many uses, such as the fact that without drawing their attention away from the road, it can guide the driver to their goal. The technology also recognizes and monitors pedestrians, and based on the user's present position, it suggests nearby establishments and services. That's not all, as various helpful details such as vehicle speed, turn-by-turn directions, the time to destination, and much more are being projected directly to the driver's windshield in real time using WayRay's deep reality display technology. If it turns out to be a success, we are possibly seeing the future of automobile travel. Number 5. Nike Air Jordan 11 Adapt Jumpman Shoes. We have yet another shoe, but this is not some everyday shoe like the one we discussed at the start of the video. This is one specifically designed for sports. You must have heard of shoes that tie themselves, but they are quite bulky as they carry the battery that powers the motors that ties the shoelaces. That is why previously we didn't find them in the sports industry. Well, that is about to change as Nike has found a way to integrate the same principle into athletic wear too. With the help of an ingenious method known as power lacing technology, the self-lacing design and mechanism are now a reality in sports. But that is not even the best part, as despite the fact that these Air Jordans use more contemporary technology, they retain the original shoe's shape and design from 25 years ago. The sneakers may look like vintage athletic shoes, but they are futuristic, and if top associations such as the NBA deem it legal, you will soon find them in competitive basketball. Number 6. Science Robotics ROBEETLE Insect-Sized Microbot. Throughout history, we have seen a lot of robots. Gradually, they have improved and upgraded over time, and nowadays, we have seen countless variations, from huge ones to small microbots, each serving its unique use and purpose. But despite being different in size, they all have one thing in common: they were battery-powered. At least most of them. That changes now with the ROBEETLE Insect-Sized Microbot. This cutting-edge technology uses methanol as fuel. Amazing, isn't it? Did you know that methanol has a higher energy density per unit volume when compared to batteries? This makes it a perfect source of energy for robots in the future. There is no need for an external power source for this microbot. It can move like an actual bug thanks to its tiny artificial muscles. The concept is quite simple when you think about it. We have seen a lot of flammable fossil fuels used for powering machines in the past, but integrating this into robotics was quite a difficult task. That is why Science Robotics ROBEETLE has done an amazing job. Number 7. AZERON CYBORG. Last but not least, the AZERON CYBORG is quite a unique concept. Are you a gamer or someone who takes a lot of interest in gaming? Well, this is the perfect gadget for you. It is quite unique as its shape resembles a hand. No wonder it was named Cyborg. But the shape is not just for aesthetics. It has a lot of useful applications too. Yes, it's true that it might seem really complicated when you see it at first, but when you practically use it, you will find that it is quite useful for gamers. Especially for avid MMO and strategy gamers, the AZERON CYBORG is a one-handed PC game controller with a ton of personalization possibilities. An amazing gaming invention that will surely be a common thing among gamers. So gamers, what are you waiting for? Get a hold of this awesome piece of gaming gear and see yourself transform your gaming setup. I am sure by now you are well aware of the many inventions of the future. At the rate at which we are progressing, pretty soon these inventions will also be replaced. That is why we should keep up with the times and try to adopt new technologies as soon as they are made available to us. This will not only keep us updated, but will also make our lives easier and more enjoyable. Do let us know about the futuristic inventions in this video that you are planning to buy. We value the feedback of our esteemed subscribers and viewers, so do not hesitate to do so. That's it for the video. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. Please let me know by pressing the like button, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Till then, take care of yourself, and I will see you guys at the next one.